Digital twins on the blockchain, the future of operational excellence. Discover how combining digital twin technology with blockchain creates unprecedented opportunities for operational excellence across industries. Chapter 1. The digital twin revolution creates virtual replicas of physical assets, processes, or systems that enable real-time monitoring, simulation, and optimization. By integrating IoT, IA, and data analytics, digital twins drive smarter decisions, predictive maintenance, and operational excellence across industries. A digital twin is a real-time virtual replica of physical assets, processes, or systems, serving as a dynamic bridge between the physical and digital worlds. It continuously monitors live data streams to provide full visibility into asset performance and operational conditions. This constant monitoring allows organizations to identify issues early and improve efficiency. Advanced simulation capabilities enable testing of scenarios and predicting outcomes without interrupting real-world operations. Through these insights, businesses can drive predictive maintenance and optimize processes. Ultimately, digital twins foster innovation by combining monitoring, simulation, and optimization into a powerful decision-making tool. A component twin monitors individual parts such as sensors, valves, and actuators to track detailed performance at the most granular level. An asset or product twin models the performance of entire machines or products, allowing for comprehensive analysis of equipment health and efficiency. A system twin simulates functional units or production lines to optimize how multiple assets work together in an integrated environment. A process twin captures entire workflows, enabling end-to-end optimization across complex operational ecosystems. Together, these four types of digital twins provide visibility from the smallest component to the broadest process level. This layered approach ensures holistic monitoring, predictive insights, and continuous operational improvement. Digital twins matter for operational excellence because they enable organizations to identify waste and inefficiencies early through real-time analytics and predictive insights, reducing costs before problems escalate. They increase throughput by optimizing resource allocation and workflow management to maximize output while maintaining high-quality standards. Consistent quality is achieved as best practices are standardized and compliance is ensured through automated monitoring and control systems. Digital twins also provide a safe environment for risk-free testing, allowing what-if simulations to evaluate potential changes before real-world implementation. This proactive capability minimizes disruptions and supports smarter decision-making. Ultimately, digital twins serve as a strategic tool for balancing efficiency, quality, and innovation in operations. From physical to virtual, the digital twin bridge. Chapter 2. Blockchain combined with digital twins creates a powerful system where real-world assets are mirrored digitally with transparent, tamper-proof records. This fusion ensures trust, security, and accountability while enabling smarter, data-driven decision-making across industries. Blockchain significantly strengthens digital twins by embedding trust, security, and transparency into their operations. Immutable records stored on decentralized ledgers guarantee tamper-proof data and reliability for all stakeholders. This ensures that every data point captured by a digital twin remains secure and verifiable. Enhanced traceability provides complete visibility across complex supply chains and interconnected systems. Smart contracts further automate key processes, reducing manual intervention and errors. Together, these capabilities elevate digital twins into highly trusted, secure, and efficient tools for operational excellence. The FIWARE Canis Major Platform showcases how blockchain, IoT sensors, and digital twin modeling can be seamlessly integrated in logistics. Real-time fleet optimization is achieved by making vehicle allocation decisions using secure, tamper-proof data streams. This ensures operations are transparent, as all stakeholders can simultaneously access the same verified information. The system reduces the risk of errors and manipulation, creating trust across the network. It also supports eco-friendly logistics by lowering operational costs and energy use. Overall, the platform demonstrates how blockchain-enabled digital twins improve scalability, efficiency, and sustainability in logistics. Blockchain-enhanced digital twins are transforming smart manufacturing under Industry 4.0 by strengthening analytics, security, and efficiency. Advanced predictive analytics enable better product lifecycle management and more informed decision-making. Immutable transaction logs ensure data integrity by preventing tampering or unauthorized access. This secure data foundation increases trust among supply chain partners. Together, these benefits significantly improve operational efficiency and quality control across manufacturing ecosystems. Securing the digital twin ecosystem, Chapter 3, Real-world impact and operational excellence. Digital twins are revolutionizing healthcare by driving process excellence through platforms like iGraph's Process 360 Live. This technology enables precise modeling of patient admissions, billing processes, and medication workflows. By simulating these workflows, healthcare providers can proactively detect bottlenecks and compliance gaps before they escalate into costly failures. The system enhances operational efficiency by streamlining processes and ensuring better resource allocation. It also reduces costs while improving patient throughput across facilities. Ultimately, digital twins elevate patient care standards by combining efficiency, accuracy, and proactive management. McKinsey reports that 44% of industrial leaders have already deployed digital twin solutions in manufacturing. An impressive 86% of organizations see measurable value and practical applications from these technologies. Digital twins enable factories to achieve 5 to 7% monthly cost reductions, particularly through optimized scheduling. Leading assembly plants are leveraging digital twins to cut overtime costs by redesigning schedules more intelligently. Real-time bottleneck detection further boosts efficiency by integrating seamlessly with MES and IoT platforms. Small and medium businesses are adopting digital twin technology to compete effectively with larger industry players. They simulate production lines to anticipate equipment failures and optimize workflow efficiency. Digital twins enhance supply chain visibility, helping reduce inventory carrying costs. Virtual modeling also allows SMBs to optimize store layouts and improve service delivery. Overall, these technologies boost operational performance and elevate the customer experience. Turning complex systems and processes into clear, actionable insights enhances understanding and decision-making. This transformation simplifies operations, enabling more efficient and effective management. Chapter 4, Strategic adoption of emerging technologies and best practices paves the way to realizing their full potential. Organizations that embrace innovation today position themselves for sustained growth and competitive advantage tomorrow. The path forward involves tackling critical technical and operational challenges while seizing emerging opportunities. Ensuring data privacy and interoperability is essential for secure information sharing across diverse platforms and stakeholders. Scaling blockchain infrastructure is necessary to support real-time digital twin updates and massive data volumes. Integrating artificial intelligence enhances predictive insights and operational efficiency. Mixed reality technologies further improve decision-making by providing immersive, data-driven visualizations. Vision 2025 Plus envisions a fully autonomous digital twin ecosystem that leverages IoT-triggered blockchain smart contracts for automated asset management. Cross-industry digital twin marketplaces promote collaborative innovation and knowledge sharing. Transparent and secure data flows support environmentally sustainable operations. Seamless integration ensures a connected digital-physical operational environment. This ecosystem enables organizations to optimize performance, drive innovation, and maintain responsible, efficient business practices. Combining digital twins with blockchain provides unmatched operational visibility and trust. Early adopters achieve enhanced agility, resilience, and competitive market positioning. The future of operations emphasizes seamless digital-physical integration. Organizations that embrace this convergence can drive innovation and efficiency. The question remains, are you ready to lead this transformation? Please like, subscribe, and join me in the next video.